Right, in this video I thought we'd have a quick look at the Ferrex 18 volt cordless fan available from Aldi at the moment. So the fan itself, we'll have a look at the blades. They are plastic blades, but they seem quite rugged, to be fair. I've used this a few times now. You've got adjusters either side. These can adjust the angle, you can tighten them up to make it hold a bit tighter. And then if we turn it round to the back, you've got the battery, and you get two batteries, so got a spare battery there. And you also get quite a cheap charger. That's the only downside to it. And the charger is very cheap, so it literally clips onto the top of the battery. I'll show you what it looks like. So you've got the two of them together, just push it up, it clips on. It'd be nicer to have something that's a bit more substantial, but you know, for the price, can't complain too much. So as you can see, the battery's mounted on there. It's not too heavy. You've got the specs there of the fan itself, and then you've got the controls. So you've got 2 speeds and then the on button. So basically when you switch it on, it comes on to the fastest speed, which is pretty powerful, pretty handy. You know, it does blow, like for me when I'm welding, it does blow the fumes away. It's also got these hanging points. You could actually hang it on something. You could actually hang it in the air. I've seen some people say they use this for keeping their dogs cool in the car during the hot summer days. The batteries are 18 volt, 2 amp hours. Obviously you can't see that here, but it's written on the battery. And like I said, you get 2 of them. What we'll do now is we'll just point the fan towards me. I'll switch it on, it'll be a bit loud. I'll put it on, that's full speed, that's half speed, and we'll have a look at it. But at the same time, I tried to make sure the camera doesn't pick up the wind noise too much. So that's half speed, which blows quite a refreshingly cool air. Not too annoying in terms of noise either, I don't think. Full speed, I'll put that on. I can reach the button, which is just there. So that is blowing a lot of air now. And apparently it will run for a good time on the batteries. So, like I said, it's been very handy for me. I can think of a few times you might want to use it. Sometimes when I'm running the car in the garage, even though I've got the garage door open, it's quite nice to have the fan blowing across the exhaust just to push the exhaust fumes out. In terms of price, I got this on Aldi, like I said, with quite good delivery. So currently it's £49.99. that includes the 2 batteries. Still available. It's got very good reviews. Like I said, it's manufactured by Ferrex. The batteries take roughly an hour to charge from flat, and the diameter of the fan blade is 22.8 centimeters, and the actual diameter of the machine itself is 36 by 26. Head rotates 360 degrees. Rubber stand for secure positioning, so that's another bonus thing. The feet down there, rubber, so it doesn't wobble. Sometimes I've had fans, electric ones, mains ones, that shake and wobble all over the place. This one doesn't do that. And it comes with a 3-year warranty, which I think is pretty decent. And there's also a helpline number if you have any problems. So like I said, if you need a portable fan, I mean it's a fairly big size, but nothing too big, then this is ideal, to be honest. And even if you're on a hot day, say you go to the park or you're going out with the family for a picnic and and there's someone who don't like hot weather, and particularly, I mean, normally that's me, then if you don't mind bringing this and looking like a bit of a wally, then it's pretty handy. But like I said, for 50 quid with 2 batteries, I think it's a very good deal. I brought it without hesitating, along with quite a few other bits from Aldi on special buy, and it's brilliant. Really rate it, and I'm definitely going to be using it a lot more. I've got a welding project to do on my brother's car, involving cutting the boot floor out and then welding a new one in, so I'll be using this to give me plenty of fresh air whilst I'm doing it. So yeah, if you're looking for a decent cordless portable fan, then you can't really go wrong with this. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more.